Hey, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Hiro. How are you?
Yes, very, very good.
Okay. All right. Well, you guys saw from the previous video the comparison of the different tuna. Here's going to be making a beautiful, delicious tartar, right? Like a multi-level tartar. Here, let's go through the ingredients.
Of course, bluefin tuna here and the Bigeye tuna here. And I'm going to use a little bit over. And the pond sauce, avocado, and Ikura egg. And maybe I'm going to use the scallion, or maybe not. Here's a Ikura and a caviar, black truffle, go to the flake.
Okay. Very, very simple. You guys can probably find most of this somewhere. All right, here. Let's begin.
Let's start it.
Okay.
This is already, I chopped up already, so this is a black truffle oil, a little bit. Scallion. And now I'm gonna do a chop up the bluefin.
Okay.
Toro. So much.
So oily, huh?
So oily. This one has some of the bone here. So.
Look how oily that is.
Very oily, right?
Yeah. So this was again $60 a pound, very, very expensive. It's almost like the 185 Wagyu beef. The marbling is so deep on this. What do we call it? Marbling, just very fatty. Look at that oil.
Yeah, very oily. Very oily.
This is unbelievable. So it almost looks like ground pork, you know, Hiro?
Right.
The color, right?
Yeah, ground pork. I'll add a little bit over here.
Fresh over, wow, smells so good.
Right. I like over very much.
Yeah.
Like this. Perfect.
Again, these avocados, if you didn't see one of our videos, 5 for $1. That would make it 20 cents.
But today I want to use this. How this called in English?
I would just say ring.
Just a ring?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, Hiro. What a beautiful dish.
Mm.
This tartar is unbelievable. Beautiful. Got the toro on top. You got the regular yellowfin on the bottom. Ikura, caviar, a little truffle, and quality, gold flakes. This is fit for a king, Hiro.
This is for easily for four people.
4 people, right?
As appetizer.
Yeah. Because it's as you said, a nice big size, gorgeous plate. And just spin it around here. That's the front. And you guys can see the back part. Hiro, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
So good. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe and tell us how much would you pay for this?
I use a lot of tuna. This the Toro.
A lot of Toro.
One, you know, and
that was $60 a pound. The whole piece that we had was like $222. You know, this is very expensive.
60,
$70, right?
something.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, guys. See you soon. Bye bye. All right, here we go. What a beautiful dish, Hiro.
Tasting parts.
Tasting part. Sometimes you have a dish in front of you this beautiful, you don't even want to start because when you start, there's going to be an end. But unfortunately, it looks so good. We have to try it. Okay, Hiro, enjoy it.
All the way down, like this.
Oh yeah.
Oh, so good.
So good, right?
Mm.
See, look at the tartar is like melting. The Toro part, anyway. There's so much fat in here, so oily looking. Just take a look at the top.
Very good.
Right? One of the most beautiful dishes you've created. All your tartars look spectacular. Done so nicely. Well, Hiro, enjoy it.
No.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. See you next time.